Triggers help reach out to people with campaigns that are specifically designed for their needs. A date-based trigger helps in sending or triggering campaigns that are event-based, like birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, etc. Please note, a date trigger will only work if you have added the date field in your list while uploading it. For creating date triggers on the Octane Go platform, click on Triggers on the top panel of the page and then click on Create New Triggers. The platform automatically chooses a date trigger, but you can also select a date trigger via click on Create Trigger bar on the top right of the page and then selecting on Date. Now name the trigger and then describe the number of actions this trigger will take. One trigger can take maximum 5 actions. However, we will create 2 actions. Then you plan the action by describing on which list you want to create this trigger on and choose the custom date field. Now describe the first action. Name, then the time of the trigger action. That is immediately after, exactly at, before, and then you can specify the time you want. You can also define the recurrence of the action by choosing date of the trigger, monthly recurring on the same date, or yearly recurring on the same date. Then you define the action of this trigger like sending a campaign. You can choose a campaign that's already on the platform, upload from your computer or create a campaign. This time we are uploading it from the computer. Then describe the campaign subject line, sender name, sender email ID and reply to email ID. You can also add the subscribers who get this campaign on another email list or remove them from the existing list. Like this, you would know who got this campaign and you won't end up resending them the same campaign. Then we repeat the same with the second action as well. Then we can save the trigger, save and activate the trigger, or go back to recreate the trigger. We will save the trigger and then see how we can activate it later. Once saved, you need to activate all the actions of the triggers. By clicking on the settings icon opposite all action, you can edit, delete, and also see campaign reports of the triggers. You have now successfully created a date triggers on Octane Go.